Let's see, January 7th, 2018, after the big freeze. Let's see what we got. Blueberries seem fine. Pineapples seem fine. There's a papaya down there, it's in good shape. Another little one down there. Sage looks good, rosemary looks good, mint looks good. Radishes came through. I've been picking some of them. Turmeric is completely underground. Ginger is just about completely underground. And my aloe decided to flower. Okay, we got a flowering aloe in the middle of the winter. That guy's still good. Ooh, cactuses took a hit. They'll be back though. They lose those leaves a lot and then they come back again. Still got some garlics down here. Okay, the other cactus took a hit. Let's walk out here. Yeah, blueberries doing good. Those things took a hit, but nothing can kill them. Sweet potatoes are gone. We be digging sweet potatoes here pretty quick as soon as I get up the energy. Potatoes, not much better, but they might come back. We'll see if they do. Here's where I've been throwing tomatoes that I found on the ground. Now, tomatoes. Tomatoes took a hit. Let's see if I can walk down this way. These are my Romas. Still a lot of them on the vines, though the vines are not in real good shape. Not completely dead though, so I'm gonna give them a chance. That's the Romas. I think these are cherries. They never really did do anything. Papaya took a hit at the top. That was where the tarp was touching it. Let's see. These are the beefsteaks. There are a lot of beefsteak tomatoes still on the vines. These were in the middle. They didn't take quite as bad a hit as the others, though right at the top where the tarp was at, they did freeze out a little bit. And that's my Swiss chard down there at the bottom. You can finally see it. So there might still be some hope for tomatoes. And then over here we have the champions. They were on the outside, so the far side of this bed took a hit. There's still plenty of tomatoes in there. Hopefully they will ripen. Look at that, still got some blossoms. These things don't know what's going on. So, not bad. Let's walk out here and see what the sugarcane's doing. Sugarcane is still making cane. The ones on the outside, well, that one took a bit of a hit. The rest of them look fine. And over here to the fig tree, I'm surprised there's still one or two leaves hanging on there. Most of them got frost burn, but there's a couple that are still green. That'll be back too. And that's the status on the garden. Not good, but not completely gone. We'll see what recovers. Supposed to be up around 60 today. And then slowly warming up the rest of this week. So, we shall see what we shall see.